How to enable or disable autofill in Microsoft Edge. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Microsoft Edge on your device. After that, click on three dots at the top right corner of your screen. Then scroll down in here and click on Settings. After that, make sure your profile is selected, then click on Personal Info. After that, in here, make sure you turn off Save and Fill Payment Info. Simply click on it and it will be turned off. Then scroll down and you will find View and Autofill Password and Passkey. Turn that off as well and you're good to go. This is how to enable or disable autofill in Microsoft Edge. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.